Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the health benefits of oranges. Oranges are a citrus fruit that are native to Asia. They are a good source of vitamin C, folate, potassium, and fiber. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. It is also essential for the formation of collagen, which gives your skin its strength and elasticity. Folate is a B vitamin that is important for fetal development. It can also help prevent birth defects. Potassium is an important mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Fiber is important for digestive health. It can also help lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels. In addition to these nutrients, oranges also contain other beneficial compounds, such as polyphenols and carotenoids. Polyphenols are antioxidants that have been shown to have a variety of health benefits, including reducing the risk of cancer and heart disease. Carotenoids are pigments that give oranges their bright color. They have also been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So, as you can see, oranges are a very healthy fruit. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. If you are looking for a way to improve your health, adding oranges to your diet is a great place to start. Here are some specific ways that oranges can benefit your health. Boost your immune system. Vitamin C is essential for a strong immune system. It helps your body fight off infection and disease. Protect your skin. Vitamin C is also important for healthy skin. It helps to produce collagen, which gives your skin its strength and elasticity. Improve your vision. Carotenoids in oranges can help to protect your eyes from damage and age-related macular degeneration. Lower your risk of heart disease. The fiber and potassium in oranges can help to lower your cholesterol and blood pressure, which can reduce your risk of heart disease, prevent cancer. The antioxidants in oranges may help to protect your cells from damage that can lead to cancer. So, there you have it. Oranges are a delicious and nutritious fruit that can benefit your health in many ways. Add them to your diet today and start reaping the rewards. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.